Gatakate ka maundu mangĩ marĩa atungati a arwaru marenda thirikari mahingirie, umwe tu noguo maugite matikũgwagwa angĩkorwo ndũgũkinyanĩrio kĩhinyio.
Wizara imetuagiza leo tutaanza mazungumzo tarehe 6 na haya mazungumzo yataishia kitu moja tu, na hiyo kitu ni hawa waingie permanent and pensionable. Kabla hatujaongea kitu chochote, hata mambo ya CPA itakuwa namba 2 kwa line. Kitu ya kwanza number 1 kwa line ni universal health coverage nurses ambao kwa contract.
Atungati aya a arwaru oroho marauga thirikari cia county ni ciramaikanĩria na thirikari nene, na hau niho mamwe ma mabataro mao marorĩra makaga gũkinyanĩrio.
And therefore we are saying there is no health care for the national government and there is no health care for the county governments. When workers in the county governments go on strike, there is no Kenyan who is a national Kenya and a county Kenya. We are all Kenyans, and therefore we are saying it must be a collective action from the two levels of government. If that does not happen, we will be going on strike.
Nao aruna ao arĩa nĩ maabitha ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa mũingĩ marenda thirikari yonanie na ciĩko atĩ nĩ ĩkĩrĩire kũgirĩrĩria mĩrimũ handũ ha kũhonia.
In the last financial year, it must be remembered that out of the Kenya shillings 140 billion that were given to the health sector, only a parity 116 billion went to curative services. And you can imagine, out of 116 billion, none came, a minimal share came to preventive healthcare services in this country. Very little was apportioned to preventive services. Mr. President, the leading causes of mortality and morbidity in Kenya are preventable diseases.
Oho nĩ marenda namba ya maabitha aya yongererwo na magakuruhanio honge-inĩ cia bata iria iratua matua megiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
We are asking you, Mr. President, to do the honorable thing, appoint a public health officer to the state advisory team to provide expertise on preventive and promotive health matters.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, ĩtĩtagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.
Viva public health, viva!